Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can add an animation on Google Slides. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Google Slides and this is how the homepage looks like. So the first thing that we're gonna do is start a new presentation. So you can either click on this plus icon if you want to start a blank presentation. You can also choose a template from this list, or you can expand the template list by clicking on Template Gallery. So right now you can choose any template that you like. For example, I'm gonna choose this one and then wait for the template to load. Once it's loaded, this is how it will look like. You can add a title from here. For example, I'm gonna name it tutorial. And then if you want to add an animation or a transition, go ahead and select an object and then go right here to this top menu and click on animate. Once you click on animate, you're going to find yourself right here in the motion menu. So right here in this menu, you can add a slide transition by clicking right here. And as you can see guys, now there is no transition. You can choose any transition that you want. For example, this one. You can also apply it to all slides. Under it, you're going to find object animation. So for example, for tutorial, you can click right here on this little arrow and then choose any animation that you want. So for example, I'm going to choose fly in from the left. Right here, you can choose either you want one click after previews or with previous. Right here, you can check by paragraph. You can make it slower or faster. And lastly, you can play it from here, click on play, and then you will see how it looks like. This is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.